So we were sent over this lunch bag to test and try out. My wife has been using it for a week. Let's go over the features and we're gonna pack a lunch and show you how much room it has. So the lunch bag itself contains 3 zippered compartments. You have one in the front here. You have one on the back side. This one's a little bit smaller. And then you have the center compartment. The zipper goes totally over the bag, so when you're zipping it up, you've got some extra wiggle room there. There's the inside of the bag. You can see that it has that insulation in it to help keep things cold. It has straps on the top if you want to carry it like that. It also comes with an over-the-shoulder strap that can be connected to the bag as well if you need an extra pair of hands and want this over your shoulder. It just has carabine-style connectors, so you connect it there. There's also one on the back side. Now it can actually be kept over your shoulder if you want to carry it around like that. So let's pack a lunch and see what we can get in here. So I've got some leftovers. There's 2 of those going in. I've got a yogurt, piece of fruit. The front pocket is going to come in handy for some powdered drink mixes and some fruit snacks. Water bottle. And we still have room for a couple thin ice packs. A fork. It's got a nice closure to it. We're going to zipper it up. Here it is, all filled up for lunch. 2 large containers, 20-ounce water bottle, an orange, yogurt, 2 ice packs, plenty of room for lunch and then some. The material itself is a nice heavyweight material. I like how the stitching is done. I think it's a good quality product. I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good lunch bag for you.